Hello, my name is Julia Müller. I'm a studied fashion designer with a master degree from Germany. Over the years, I've always completely created my own designs. I work with all kinds of materials, no matter if it's silk, leather, fake leather, jersey, wool, or synthetic fur. I can use an industrial sewing machine, knit, crochet, and hand stitch. I'm also able to screen print, use transfer paper, or work with digital print, as well as hand paint directly onto the fabric. As a fashion designer, I love to draw, especially the human figure and portrait. I am experienced in different mediums such as pencil, pastel, charcoal, acrylic, watercolor, and oil. No matter if it's expressive and abstract or realistic, I can paint it all. I am proficient in computer programs such as Illustrator, Photoshop, InDesign, and iMovie. No matter if it's a simple logo, a technical drawing, an illustration, or a photo that needs editing. On top of that, I traveled a lot and studied in New Zealand during my master degree, costume design and Maori arts. Another passion of mine is body painting. I worked in nightclubs in Berlin and also participated in a World Body Painting Festival in Klagenfurt, Austria. I also worked as a wedding decorator on the beautiful island of Paros in Greece. Here you can see a collection of movies I worked on. I worked in the German, Canadian and New Zealand movie industries so far. My roles include on-set dresser, background costumer and seamstress, as well as dresser in theater and cruise ships.